Bunch of mallards. I don't have food for them. They have to fend for themselves, but I bet you people feed them and they're coming up for food. You know where the geocache is? Got some sparrows out there. We got some towhees out there. There's a little song sparrow right there. 2 of them. He's gonna make a visit too. The rufous-sided towhee. All right, so what I'm looking for is a log. There's a log right here. And there's a little tracks coming out of here. There's like these little tracks. You see them right here? I wonder if that is the watcher over the... Well, I came to look for a geocache here. Came up empty-handed. Lots of snow. Hey, lots of snow. Everything's buried right now. I'm gonna have to come back and look for this one later. I give it a good look, but the snow is so deep and so thick, and it's pushing weeds over the areas that I wanted to look at. So I'm gonna have to be a DNF right now. It's probably there. It's just under all this snow, but I didn't find it. I looked for it, but I definitely didn't find it. It's okay though. This played a role. But all the ducks have been really cool, and all the wildlife out here. Hope you enjoyed this. Look at this. Oh, doesn't make very good snowballs either. Hey, thanks for watching.